Sunscreen is the cause of skin cancer. Government permits the sunscreen. I tell women, just sit in the sun for 1 hour in the morning, 1 hour in the evening, go for a walk. You don't have to take anything for your bones. Your bones will be fine. And this people don't do because ladies are afraid. You put sunscreen, there's an advertisement, don't go in the sun, you will get skin cancer. If skin cancer were due to sun's rays, every dog, every buffalo, every cow should have had skin cancer and become extinct. Because you expose only some parts of your body. The whole back of these quadrupeds expose the sun, all the time he is out. It's a great thing. Eh? We saw that Swamiji now has changed little. Karthikeyan's house, he was doing a scientific study on a Swamiji. He will not eat anything. And Kalama, Karthikeyan's great wife, was alive those days and she was keeping a careful watch on him. He'll not take any food. Stand there for 4 hours and look at the sun. Without batting an eyelid. And his eyes were examined in Moorfield Eye Hospital in London, the oldest and the best eye hospital. They said his eyes are the beautiful eyes. Today we know, there's a nice study if you want to know. Nobody is putting dark glasses inside. Using the dark glasses is one of the ways you are preventing the ultraviolet rays from the sun entering your retina and making your eyes good. And you will be surprised. The ultraviolet rays of the sun going through the retina stimulate your pineal gland, which is the master of the whole orchestra of endocrines. So half of your problem is because you put on some of our politicians put it on at night also. Because they can't look you in the eye. You know, it's so nice to look at the sun, so nice to be in the sun. I take an opportunity in the airport and all, and the queue is there for getting into the plane in some southern, very hot sun. I will be the last in the queue because I want to get more of the sun at least because, otherwise we are all the time inside the house. We don't go out. I tell women, just sit in the sun for 1 hour in the morning, 1 hour in the evening, go for a walk. You don't have to take anything for your bones. Your bones will be fine. And this people don't do because ladies are afraid. Sunscreen is the cause of skin cancer. Government permits the sunscreen. So we don't want diseases to go because if diseases go away, what will we do? Truly true. So now coming back to this caste system. In the life positive movement, let us end this caste system. Let us get everybody who says he is a healer together on one table. And it can't be done independently because if you talk to a allopath, or what you call allopath, everything is allopathy, remember that, except homeopathy, all things are allopathy. Ayurveda is also allopathy. Now if you ask a Western doctor to suggest an Ayurvedic fellow for a treatment, he won't do that. And you can't ask them to come together. What we do in our research center in Chennai is, when we find we can't do anything for a particular person, we know some Ayurvedic people and homeopaths who are very good, and we call them and say, look, take charge of this patient. And what we do is we record all the things and send the patient there and record the outcomes also. So we're building a big database. And we have a few people. There's one lady in I won't tell the name because it will be advertising her. She can do very well for renal failures. See, America, I want to send her to America because in America there is a rule now, though we say Western medicine is very good now. If you are 65, you are not given a kidney transplant even if your kidney is failing. For the rest of your life, you will be on dialysis. And dialysis is such a nasty thing if you want to be on. If you are 65, no transplant. This is the medicine that we practice. What we should do, and Ahulwalia ji should strive to do this because, for all these things you need money, man. Without money, nothing happens.